Did you get in contact with Fred yet? We need him to bless the next rug run. No. MBS uptick over the last week and the latest inflation numbers are seeing some movement in fixed income. We might actually see upturns, which would be great for overall recovery. Yeah, but what about well, I don't know, man. I feel like some of that is like, especially like CMBS, it's a little over exuberant. I agree that the latest inflation numbers help support it, but I think it's like the recovery is a bit ahead of the curve, and it looks more like loss harvesting into the end of the year. Because the effects of the rate increases have yet to be felt, right? In any significant way. I just want to say, all of the hopeless NoPEX newbies in here, this is the first time in a long time we've seen an appropriate amount of shorting for an upcoming run. This is what we want to see. This is how it should be before a run. Thank God. No big shorting, no big run. Yep. No one wants to cover from the middle range, right? Isn't the whole market a bit over exuberant? The SPX looks like it wants to go to 3,600 by March. I wouldn't be surprised if it did. As a matter of fact, I have puts hoping that it does. Oh god, walking bullish. Ding ding, guys. Well, that was a fucking interesting day. SPX, kind of climbed back up into the 40-20 range. I was hoping that we would recover a little higher around 40-25, but support just broke down at that level. But 40-20 staying fairly stagnant, even though we had some volatility. Most of our volume was still traded between 40-25 and 408 or 4008. I think this is a lot of the delta neutral positioning coming in. We didn't stay on the low end for too long today, which is probably a good sign after this morning sell-off. We recovered really quickly from this afternoon sell-off. So, trading above 4,000 going into the FOMC meeting might be promising. I like the range. It's not too exuberant, which makes me think that the markets or participants are slightly bullish on the outcome, but not overly so, which is probably a good place to be because we still have, SLD as a factor this week. There's some more economic data into the end of the week, I believe. We have a PMI flash report, if I'm not mistaken, on Friday. We have retail sales month over month. We have some manufacturing indexes coming in. We have industrial production, I think, in an inventories report. So there's still a lot of, this is a big, heavy economic data week, plus SLD, right? So yeah, I think the range is pretty good. Most of tomorrow's decision is probably, like, the direction of the market is going to be decided on what Powell has to say in his speech. So we'll be watching that, and GME and Upstart's shorts today are very much in line with our expectations in a pre-OPEX period. It's a significant short, drastically beyond like 2 standard deviations from VWAP. So they're shorting the fuck out of it. If you guys check out the Discord, I posted the liquidity charts for GME for today. The tips are touching, which is historically very bullish. We'll see how that plays out though, but it looks really good. I think we're well set up for a run. November OPEX has never looked better. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you probably on time tomorrow morning. Have a great night, everyone. Bye.